see this alliance between Congress and Aam Aadmi Party? We have seen for the last so many days multiple meetings are being held between both the parties.
Let us see.
So today, so far it is not final, and any time the list can
See,
come.
we were in the middle of the talks. They announced their candidates, so it's up to them.
Today you are going for nomination of Vinesh Phogat also. Do you think the sports person which the Congress has picked up, that will give a lot of boost to the Congress party also?
I see the environment in the state, every section of the society is going to vote for the Congress party. And like I said, I'm confident of a massive victory for the Congress in the Haryana state elections. After the nominations of Huda ji, I'll be attending the nomination of Vinesh also, and some other nominations also today. And I think the injustice which has been meted out to these girls is for everyone to see.
But Brij Bhushan says it's a conspiracy and now it has been exposed. How do you see the statement of that?
The Supreme Court ordered the FIR. The Supreme Court is also involved in the conspiracy. The Delhi court has framed the charges. Is the Delhi court also part of the conspiracy? So justice shall prevail. I think that is something which it was such a shocking act on the part of the government to try to protect one of its MPs who was accused of this molestation. For 6 months, the government did not even file a FIR. And six Olympian and medalists, girls are complaining about molestation, and for 6 months they are sitting. How much more injustice can any government do?
Sir, what about the rebels within the BJP? We have seen the Congress is also taking precautions so that there should be no...
Compared to BJP, Congress, overall you must have seen the number of rebels are quite less, but still each one is important to us. We are talking to everyone and we will try to take them on board.
How many seats do you expect from this election? How many seats do you think the Congress will be able to win?
Like I said, a massive victory.
So,
unprecedented massive victory for the Congress.
So unemployment was one of the major issue you have been raising. So how do you see that?
Haryana has become the state which is number one in unemployment, number one in crime rate, and this is Government of India data. We are in the neighbor of Delhi. We surround Delhi on 3 sides, but number one in unemployment and number one in crime, number one in drug abuse related deaths. So that's the report card of this government after 10 years as presented by Government of India.